Hey guys, do you know what kinds of places are appropriate to install a car wash machine? The most common place is a car wash shop. Many people choose to buy a car wash machine to enhance work efficiency and lower the labor cost. That is a very good choice. Today I want to show you another project case, the gas station. Here is the gas station. You can see the brand is Sinopec. They purchased this internal car wash system to provide customers who consume more than 200 RMB with free car wash service. This machine serves about 300 cars per day. The sales of gas of this station increase about 20% after installing this machine. So it's really a money-making machine, right? Okay, if you want to know more about internal car wash system, just follow us. This is Ken Lee, a fan and expert of car wash machine.